Mga tipo mong babae na chinita, habang ako'y morenong dalagang Pilipina. Tignan mo naman ako sa mga mata mo, huwag mong kumaripas ng takbo. Wala na bang pag-asa ako iyong makita, habang buhay na lang bang mag-iisa.
Dito. Sa talagang ano? Erase. Alis mo mali. Ulit.
It's not broken, go! No, it's not broken. Yeah.
And I was in the Silla playing. All the fake classmates. In there.
Playmates?
Yeah, all my playmates and classmates in there.
Wow, you play na?
I wanna jump up there or now?
Yes.
Hey, mommy, I'm in there. Look, my mommy with me.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wala basa. Ayan. Go. Uy, wag ganyan. Dito. Picture ka nga dyan, picture. Dito ka sa gitna. Kunjing ka naman.
I'm hiding, mommy.
Tika mo.
I want to hide.
Okay. Slide ka? Dito.
Mommy, slide with me.
No, I'm too big. Dito ka. Dito sira. Dito hindi. Ready, set, go.
It's a fast.
Yeah.
Apat tayo. Wait. One, two, three. Tas. Sabi na tayo, Grad. Diba yung not scary, oh. Oo. Oh, dito ka. Dito ka dito. Picture ka. Picture ka namin.
mango? Strong naman. Oh, careful.
Ito, ano.
Ano, Mami na?
Wow.
Ano, Mami?
There's so many mangoes. Nice, Sky.
Yeah.
Give to your daddy ito. Ito. Bitawan mo kaya mo. Sino mo yung anak mo? Oh, hindi niya alam paano gagawin niya. Oh.
Give. Lagay mo na dito yung mango. Tapos give mo yan kay daddy daw. Go.
Yeah.
Get mo yung ano panangkin. Give mo kay daddy mo. Give mo kay daddy mo.
Boing.
So cute.
And I write this. And I write this. And I write S. And I write. And I write. And then I write O. And I write like that. And I write like that. And I write.
Very good.
And
You write the alphabet.
yeah. And this one.
Okay. Galing.
S. Mommy, do you want to write with me or no?
Okay.
Do you want to write or no? No, I write this.
What is that?
It's my name.
What is your name?
It's Sky.
Wow.
One. My bed.
Pakawalan na natin bird.
No, but I like my bed.
Wow, siya oh.
I like my bed.
You take care of the bird.
It's flying and walking.
What you going to do?
I'm going to fly with the mommy.
Give mo na sa mami niya.
Huwag mo yung pakawalan ha. Hold tight. Say bye-bye bird. Sabi niya.
Bye bye, Dad.
We're gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh.
It's not the flying.
Pulutin mo ha. Tapos mo sa taas.
Like that.
Dito siya wagpag. One. Galang ba?
One, two, three. Like that.
Ayaw yun nilipad.
Hayaan nyo na lang muna. Ow!
Ayaw niya. Kaya pala siguro nawali sa baba to, no?
It's
Kasi
not
mahina.
a Stella.
Rest muna siya.
Wala siya dito sa puno.
It's one day lovely. Let us see the Gary.
Bakit nakikita mo naman? Oh.
No, but then let us see the Gary.
Ayun. Marami?
My dress is rubbing. Hi, Mommy, look my dress is This one is not
Sinusundan ka.
there.
Sinundan ka ng chicken. Chicken pa yan? Ano? Baboy.